on top of the night show today. My name is Nedu and a scarf. Me and the beautiful tomato juicy. Hello, Mama Salo, Asan Pt.1, Yoma, Egovin. Container up and down. Oh my God. Fuel, because now you be fuel. Fuel, they're expensive now. Welcome on top of the night show. My name is Nedu and a scarf. Me, Sarah, Ophelia, and DJ Isabit. Hey, don't say that for inside studio. We don't know where Katim day.
Thank you.
We don't know where she did. So we not fit tell you say Katim whether he go come or he no.
I suspect she dey queue.
She fuck you. It ain't possible say Katim dey fuck you. But we go wait for her to come. We hope say she buy for him. But before she come, me Easy Peter Sarah Flynn, we go do today's show. We go talk different things. When I know say yesterday we say make una yarn on our mind how it take be una yesterday. Today we get topic when we say we go discuss today. As we dey talk to Tomato, we go discuss that topic. Why we carry her come to talk that topic? Because it concern girls. Wear yellow like this. Because now they do one. Now then they do one. Is it bit please say the topic?
No, go come back.
Go come back.
Go come back. Yeah.
Anyway, go back much chicken break. When you come back, when I go ahead the topic we say we get for ground today because it concern yellow. Mommy, what I kind of guess like this. When we come back, we'll continue to solve the life show. So my name is Nedu, and as I say me Easy Beat and Sarah, the beautiful Sarah Ophelia with us in studio today. And also we get another tomato juice. Hello, hey, oh don't call what's your name?
My name is Giselle, but you can just call me Giselle.
No, talk for Igbo. Talk and say, okay, your name is Giselle. See where you come from. This is what you do.
Okay, my name is Giselle.
Igbo now.
Relax. Afambo Giselle. Esim from Umahia, Nime Abia State, from local Umahia South Local Government, Olokora Amiji.
My sister.
Young pint.
Thank you.
Giselle, I think it's an animal, be Giselle.
That's gazelle.
That's a gazelle.
No, that's not gazelle. Well, not the same thing, man.
No.
Giselle and gazelle.
No, it's closer to diesel.
Anyway, our topic for today will make me carry these two Oyibo tomato justice coin here. Now, we they say, as a lady waiting for that place when we say they watch us, you go feel marry man. We're not there Nigeria. Is there another country? And only 2 times in a year. Una they see. The man they very okay. Yeah, he's a don't call somebody. He has Otedala kind of money. He has Dangote kind of money. Yeah, he's a big somebody. But you feel marry that kind of man, you go there Nigeria here. The man go there another side. Meanwhile, now only 2 times in a year, una go they see. Our phone numbers don't on top on our TV. Make una begin the call us now to take for your church man on top of the matter. And also, Sarah they single. You know, the last time when she come with the really, nobody fit us her well. So we fit give her husband here today. Me. Mona call because we need somebody that has money.
An able-bodied man.
Able-bodied. What is able-bodied man to start with?
As you take describe Dangote, so.
Able pocket man.
You're only able-bodied now. Able money.
Able pocket man.
Able pocket man. You need an able pocket man because person will poor no go fit marry you.
See, I don't even feel suffer. They don't want me to suffer. No fit. Hey.
Now, Giselle, to start with you, your husband not the person where you want marry. He not the Lagos here with you.
No, he not there.
Where in the stay?
They stay for that. He not there. He not there.
Make them go wine waste for them. Do some kind of hand. Hey,
just say he there a bit far.
He not the Lagos.
No,
so, but for this matter now, we will discuss. You go feel allow. You go feel stay if you and your husband they see just 2 times in a year and in the outside Nigeria. You go fit handle them. You go fit stay.
How long the? How many years? this institution.
I like how many years.
Because if not temporary situation, I can.
No, not be temporary. One
Forever,
day.
ever to the end of your marriage.
I don't know.
Business. But in the work.
for
In the
now.
work there now.
But
You
for
work there.
now.
Okay, for now. Okay, not twice, Sha. Twice is a
But
bit
not twice, now it be.
Now twice in big.
Wait. I
Okay.
want to ask a question.
Uh-huh.
This marriage,
Eh.
is it that you loved him and you married him, or was it the pocket situation? Because if it's that I married him for pocket,
It make you go.
But if not say, oh, I was in love and you proposed that you want, no, I
Then
won't
you want
agree.
to see him,
But
yeah.
say you don't old, you get money, you just want to marry me. Me say, if I don't get anything I want to do, I say, okay, now.
Yes,
You know you don't own. You want continue. This one, another case.
Another case.
yeah, it depends on your intention. She's right. Your intention.
No, rap if the motor by motor. Leave intention. This one where they talk now say okay. You now want marry. Now in not the state Nigeria.
Okay.
Because why would guys discuss this thing? Plenty. I not go like give you. I go talk and plenty
I
Igbo
agree.
girls. Plenty Igbo girls. Apart from Igbo girls, plenty girls.
Yeah, plenty
They
girls.
like
They like
make,
it, yes,
They get my boyfriend. He's not in Nigeria. He does not live in
They
Nigeria.
like
They
it,
like
they
that
like
thing
it.
well. Not because they ask whether you go there okay if the man they live you know outside. Anyway, hello, who there on the line? Good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening. Nedu.
Hey, sister in the Lord, how is you?
I'm fine. Oh, how you doing?
I dey fine. What's your name?
My name is Vera.
Vera Ngwana. Where you come from? Ejibo.
Okay, I'm calling from Ejigo.
Ngwa.
I beg. Where Kasim day?
We don't sell them.
Why now?
We sell and collect too.
Okay, make I see that my sister waiting for right hand side. Now my sister. Oh.
Okay, for your village girl.
This one.
Yes, so now from all of
Who like
Now my direct sister. Be that, so.
Welcome.
You said yellow.
Yes, now.
Wait, your own yellow be like Sarah yellow. I be her own yellow.
No, not like my sister. Oh.
You not bleach your own like Cynthia Morgan.
No, mister. Not be artificial, not natural.
Your own a natural yellow.
Yes.
Ungwa took him out for the talk when they talk. You go fit do that thing or not?
Okay, wetin happen be say any normal African woman wey wan marry,
Yes.
no be money,
Not talk Sarah.
no be money. So wetin dey there be say you go marry man wey you love, and make that man dey by your side. No be say him go dey for Kabanchan, you go dey for Utonkom.
Exactly.
Una go dey close so that anytime wey that thing scratch you small.
Where did they scratch you? Hey. Jesus is Lord. Bye, please. Bye. From Lekki, good evening.
Hello,
Hello. Jesus.
Good evening.
How you doing?
I'm fine.
What is your name? Hello?
Hello, are you hearing me?
Hello? What is your name?
My name is Maureen from Lekki.
Ngamari, talk to us. We dey hear you.
Yeah, I can't because I dated my fiancé for 4 years.
You can.
And hello,
Can't.
You not fit.
I fit.
Oh,
she-
Oh, you fit.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
Yes, I can.
So how many times una dey see a year? Like how many times maximum? I mean,
We
a
normally see
minimum.
for four times a month.
4
Yeah,
times.
sorry.
4 times in a year.
Yeah.
So, Sarah, you get one question where Sarah want ask you. But
There were-
one question where Sarah want ask you.
Okay.
But she dey push me make I ask you.
Okay.
If cold they catch you, what you go come do?
There was a time again.
Maureen, please call back.
Now her husband rich. She be wan confess. She wan talk something that the husband say.
Cut this line. Now, talk your own before I come to this. Mami water ready for you.
Well, okay. For me, yes, I can do long distance. I fit do them, but no be two times is too small. It's not considered a marriage.
Now me say you not fit do am.
Hey, that's what I'm saying now. Two is too small now.
If na
you
down
want
go
do-
tenka.
No, make it go. Wait till they use them do now. I go still go. You cannot be like that. Him go get his own outside. You go fit find your own outside now.
Find what in outside.
Because no be marriage be that now. Now play.
Housekeeping.
Now to you now, because you now you say if you marry old man. Now what you
What you
talk?
do, old man? He not be man, not be human being.
No,
I remember when I leave that, people go they farm. Old man, cannot beg, leave that. There's nothing there. In fact, I like older men. Please, if you're above 40,
Yes,
40,
so-
to call me. I don't have
Yes,
small
bro.
boys, so
Call her.
You people have insecurity issues. Old man, let me not say old like that, but matured man that already knows what he wants in life. He's done it all. He's financially stable, and he appreciates all of this. Like, you know, when he walks with me, that kind of man. No, I don't have time for small
call
boys.
you baby.
I have done it, been there, done that. I'm still single. Look, where did he get me? I'm here on the news show.
Hey, the devil is a liar. Now make I ask you. Now that man we don't, you know say like easy beat now. So you mean say as easy beat day so now we get 6 pack now. Easy beat, you not fit marry easy beat.
What's our text is? Me,
You said this is my
don't call me.
But wait. If you marry old man now, old man no go fit. You know that thing we una dey talk. I no be say I don't see una talk am o. I know so una dey talk that thing. Oh, give it to me, give it to me, give it to me. Because old man not dey move quick.
Even small boy, na lie with the lie. Maybe see, girls can lie. Boys go they sweat will be like, yeah. That time I don't think say I got to wash clothes, my hair. Is this side party or center party now? We do.
Oh, when you dey do that thing?
I go to think, wait till I go chop after. I go come remember say daddy. I say, oh yes, baby, oh yes. Say, God, this boy may finish. I want bath. Man, I see. Don't mind that. Oh man, young boy, all of una the same. We dey like give una no difference.
Oh, I love Sarah.
Make I lie.
Anyway, we'll go back to my chicken break. You know why I love this guy? Oh God, take high five. One no one.